is Maximus Jenkins, and I am the creative producer at Ratava.
My name is Caleb Mansky. I'm the creative director at Ratava.
Ratava is an AI media agency that does videos for businesses, whether it's B2B communication, social media, advertising, pitching, using AI filmmaking, AI avatars, and regular filmmaking. Kind of built our business, off of the HeyGen tool. We use HeyGen to create videos for our clients and for ourselves, both to, get their message out there, talk about their product, and educate people about, what their business is without having to have them, always be on camera.
We combine traditional filmmaking tactics with fully generative AI, along with avatar filmmaking, essentially. I'm just a storyteller. Coming from the documentary space, it's hard to get people to say the right things. You have to ask very specific questions to try to guide the responses to have them say the right thing on camera. And HeyGen allows you to get that response the first time, the first try. So we can have our clients say exactly what they want to say without having to do take after take after take.
We do a lot of different types of marketing videos, so a lot of it's on social media, whether it's just feed posts or some of it's flagship videos for people's websites. Some of it's event marketing. So before the event, whether when it's a client's event, we'll make videos for them that they can put on social media, that they can email out to other people, using avatars, using other AI filmmaking tools, combining them to make, a very fun, interactive, hype video for their event or for their conference. And then during the event, whether it's to introduce a speaker or to talk about, what's gonna go on during the event, or to hit people with emails during the event, we have HeyGen's videos built into there using avatars that we've made. And then afterwards, the same thing. We continue to send people videos or, give recap videos that we shoot of the event combined with avatars. What excites me is to be able to do more things, kind of with this lower barrier to entry. There's videos we've made for clients or videos I made for myself that I could not have done before.
When I first saw HeyGen output, my jaw hit the floor. I was like, I cannot believe that is me saying that, but I didn't actually say that. It was pretty incredible. So the magic moment for me was when I sent my mom a HeyGen video of myself, and she did not know that it was AI generated. I sent this good morning video where I was just like, good morning, Mom, I love you. And she was just like, oh, I love you too. And then I texted her back. I was like, that wasn't actually me. And she was like, what? So that was pretty incredible.
The magic moment for me was definitely the lip sync. Being able to put my own voice in there and have it be my clients' voices or mine and have it really perfectly match up was something special. The biggest feature besides the lip sync and the avatars has definitely been the language localization, being able to allow us to break into new markets and also really just impress people out of the bat what we can do with these tools.
At first, I thought it was impossible that I could speak 175 different languages. And now using HeyGen, I can put videos out of me speaking in any language that I can imagine. So that was pretty cool. So what I love about HeyGen is the speed at which that we can create videos. In this world today, the deadline of projects is just getting shorter and shorter and shorter. We need to be able to keep up with everything that's happening in the world around us, and HeyGen allows us to keep up with that fast-paced world.
My experience with HeyGen has been very easy. As someone who already knows how to make videos, there was no learning curve, but I could imagine that someone new to it would have pretty much no problem with it at all.
Coming from the production space, it's so impressive how quickly we can produce videos. Like I was saying before, the fact that it used to take weeks to create a 3 to 4 minute interview style video that I can now do in a day. I finished that day with a finished project and I'm like, I made this in one day.
The advice I give to someone just getting started would be to experiment. Try different things, whether it's in your prompting or how you shoot your avatars. We've done ones where we've shot them in a mirror, looking through the mirror at the person. We've learned new ways to prompt, so definitely just experimenting. We made a video for a client where we had him skydiving and jumping out of helicopters, and my first thought when I saw it was definitely, wow, I made this for very little money by myself instead of having, millions of dollars in a production crew.
The world of AI is very scary right now, and I believe that's just because people don't really understand how it works. So for someone who is afraid to take that leap, I encourage you to, because you're not going to discover how this world of AI works unless you experiment with it. For someone who's just starting out with HeyGen, I encourage you to experiment as much as you can. Try different things, try the languages, film different kinds of avatars, because without trying and discovering what it's capable of and how it operates, you're going to stay scared of it, because we are scared of things that we don't know.
Someone who's skeptical, I would definitely say it's understandable, but they should definitely try it out because it's something very useful, very helpful, and it's here to stay.